Am I not the captain of this ship?
That looks like we have just about everybody, so once we find those final seats, remain seated throughout the entire journey, keeping those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. Parents, watch those kids. Kids, please watch those parents. I don't have them. I don't want them. I do not trust them. You brought them down these, so they are your responsibility. Now, if those rules, I'll make sure we're staying fully seated for me, friends. All the seats are the same. Wet, brown, and uncomfortable. I didn't know if those rules are crystal clear. Let's make like a dreidel and take this thing for a spin. Go ahead and wave goodbye to all those nice gifts on the dock. And wave goodbye to the naughty ones, too. They know what they did. Yeah. They know what they did.
Guard the boat, mind the tide. Don't touch my dick.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe, and come hang out with us on social media. We're the Hitchhiking Bones, and we're on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. There's always room for one more, so hurry back.